The Points Guy app is a great tool for those looking to maximize travel rewards, loyalty points, and credit card benefits. Here's a beginner's guide on how to use the app. Download the app. Start by downloading the Points Guy app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installation, create an account or login if you already have one. Track your points and miles. The app allows you to keep track of your points and miles across various loyalty programs, including frequent flyer miles, hotel rewards, and credit card points. You can manually input your balances or link accounts to automatically sync your points data. Read expert advice. TPG offers valuable articles, tips, and reviews on credit cards, rewards programs, and travel strategies. Use the app to stay updated with the latest deals, promotions, and strategies to maximize your rewards. Credit card recommendations. Based on your preferences and travel goals, the app can recommend the best credit cards to apply for. It helps you select cards with great sign-up bonuses and the best reward structures for your needs. Plan travel. TPG provides tools to help you plan your trips, from booking flights and hotels to finding the best ways to redeem points for travel.